running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs.
Okay, love bugs, we got a baddie on our hands. This beautiful girl comes from Unice. She is a 13x6 pre-styled lace wig full of beautiful layers and a gorgeous curtain bang. This one is 20 inches in length and she includes the drawstring as well. I'm gonna jump into the tutorial. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Mass time, and the kids won't sit still. Somebody lost your socks, someone spilled the milk for real. Wilbury, rolling with the chaos, making memories on the way. Welcome to the Lion's House, flower starts today.
Boot it up. Yeah, we back online. Kid Diamond in the lobby and he's ready to shine. If you came for the gay house, you right on time. Yeah, he's a Lion's kid, so the grind's built in by design. Drop in, watch how the whole squad roll. He misses one shot and still somehow stole the whole squad wipe with a half broke scroll. Kid Diamond different, he built like a cheat code. Running through maps like he owns the land. You think he's serious, then he drops his hands. Piece of roll's done, yeah, you understand. Lions get priorities, always food first, fam. Chad going wild cause the gameplay's lit. He trips off the roof and still doesn't quit. Falls on an enemy, instant KO hit. Kid Diamond's luck, honestly ridiculous, legit. Level up, we don't stop for nothing. One more round cause the squad's still jumping. Hit that sub, we keep the chaos pumping. Kid Diamond in the building, let's keep thumping.
Dakota wakes up with a smile so bright, dancing through the hallway like it's her spotlight. Slime in her hands, glitter everywhere, laughing at herself cause she just don't care. Spin left, spin right, she got her own flow. Turn the music up loud, still in every show. Dakota's world, yeah, she's magic and fun. Every single day she's a shining one, dancing like a star with a heart so sweet. Little queen vibes from her head to her feet. Glow like the sun, dream big and strong. Dakota's got a rhythm that belongs in a song. Dakota's world, yeah, she's one of a kind. Bright little spark with a brilliant mind. Everywhere she goes brings joy on repeat. Dakota, Dakota, you make life complete. Yeah, Dakota and Dominic, let's go. Dakota spinning round the room, twirling in the light. Dominic's got glitter slime, stretching inches right. Two little stars who always shine so bright, laughing every morning and dancing every night. Jump left, jump right, they got their own groove. Turn the music up high, watch the whole house move. Sisters on a mission, yeah, they do it every day. Dancing in the kitchen, slime party on the way. Dakota and Dominic, the world is a stage. Best friends, sisters, love that never fades. Spin like the sun, glow like the moon. With sisters like them, every day's a cartoon. Sisters on a mission, yeah, they always have fun. Two hearts, one beat, forever as one. Dakota and Dominic, forever they'll be sisters, best friends, a perfect harmony.
It's the Lions crew in the house.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Diamonds on the game with the head set tight. Dropping buckets on the court, yeah, shots too nice. Dakota twirls in living room, dancing on beat. Dominic jumps in with a happy little feet. kids with their own big vibe. Laughing all day when they're side by side.
Hey love bugs, we are done with this look. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna jump to the outro, but I just want you guys to be able to see the hair without any black on, so you can really judge the character. This one here has so much bounce and body to it. I just wanted you to be able to see what we're working with before we get to the part where I have black on. So hope you guys love it. Drawstring definitely makes this one nice and snatched. It's actually many hours later. We went to Bullwinkles in Yard House for a little bowling and dinner. So now let's get to the outro. Also, if you want to switch it up, you definitely can achieve a side part. Look at how beautiful that is and clean. So you can definitely do a deep side part, and because there's a layer to this one, this bang would be nice and snatched. Okay, let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, love bugs, this is the look. I got an instant right here, so just so you guys know, I like to have a little vibe going right now. So this one here is a straight out of the box wig install. The only thing I did not do was melt the lace, and as you can see, it blends like a dream. So this one here did come from Unice, and this is the packaging. This one here is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig in the length 20 inches. I really like 20 inches on this one, so I'm gonna insert some clips of what this one looks like with no black on, because I'm headed out for bowling. Inside the package, we did get a sheet of the Bye Bye Knots wig tape. This is perfect for the girl who likes to wear her wig bonded down. Also got a pack of HD wig caps, and these are the Unice brand. And last but most certainly not least, we did get the adjustable and removable elastic band. That way you can make the wig more glueless. With this one, I don't know if I showed you guys, but if I didn't, I'll show you again. This here is a drawstring wig, so you're able to access that drawstring from the back. Give it a nice little tug, find the stopper, and just drive it up as tight as you like it. I like mine cinched tight because the tighter it is, I feel like the more glueless the wig does fit. I like to keep the cap in the back pulled down, and you are literally good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.